Begin this drawing by bisecting the space of your picture plane at its horizontal and vertical center, creating a simple 4-quadrant grid. Each quadrant should have the same relative proportions as the quadrants marked on your viewfinder. You will use these center lines to measure relative relationships, relating what you see in your viewfinder to the space of your picture plane. Map in the position of the objects you measured on your viewfinder. I started with the upper left quadrant and initially drew only the straight mapping lines, blocking in positions and placement of shapes, rather than sketching detailed outlines. This linear mapping approach is faster and easier to adjust. It's much simpler to erase and revise straight lines than to correct organic shapes. Let your mapping lines extend well beyond the limits of the form. I recommend continuing them all the way to the edge of your quadrant. Next, go through the composition and begin marking the positions of your objects. Use long mapping lines to establish the height and width of each form. Label them if that helps you stay organized. Use your measuring stick to translate diagonals from your viewfinder onto the picture plane. These diagonals help reinforce scale and placement, especially in more complex compositions. Once your entire space is gridded out with these organizational mapping lines, you're ready to start drawing your objects at their correct compositional scale.